Good day, my name is Bench Kyle Baguio. Our program is a bake shop order form system developed using Java Swing. In this part, we imported the necessary packages such as a Java Swing, Java AWT, and Java AWT event to create a graphical user interface and handle events. We then declare the class bake shop order form which implement action listener to handle button action. We also declare all components such as JText field for customer name and quantity, JCheck box for product selection, JRadio button for unit and payment, JText area for the receipt, and J button for submit and clear actions. These variables are important because they are used throughout the program.
Greetings, I am Rolando G. Alemani Jr. and today I'll be explaining the JFrame and input field part. In this part, we created the main window using window JFrame and set its size, layout, and design. We added a top panel using grid layout to organize the input fields. Inside this panel, we placed a label and text field for customer name, a label and text field for quantity. These inputs allows the user to enter basic order details before selecting products.
Greetings, I am Miss Gabriela Slamprea, here to present the part 3, which is the product selection. In this section, we created multiple J checkbox components for the products. These include cakes like chocolate cake slice and mini cake, bread like ensamada, croissant, and pandesal, cookies and add-ons like candles and greeting cards. Each checkbox includes the product name and price. We use JCheckbox because it allows users to select multiple items at once. All components are added to the center panel to keep the layout organized. Thank you for listening.
Greetings, my name is Arthur Moprelem Cabreas, and I'll be explaining the unit, payment buttons, and receipt part of our code. In this part, we use JRadio button for selecting the unit and payment method. For the unit, user can choose between per piece or per dozen, and we group them using button group so only one can be selected. For the payment method, users can choose cash, GCash, or credit card, also grouped to ensure only one selection. We then added two buttons: submit order to process the order, clear order to reset the form, and lastly, we created a JText area inside a JScroll pane to display the receipt output. That's all. Thank you.
Greetings everyone. I'm Kurt Andre A. Arambulo, and I'm explaining this part of the code. This part contains the main functionality inside the action perform method. When the submit order button is clicked, the program performs validation such as checking if the name is empty, ensuring quantity is a valid number, making sure at least one product is selected, verifying that unit, payment method are selected. After validation, a confirmation dialog appears. If confirmed, the program calculates the subtotal using the compute item method, adds VAT 12%, applies discount such as per dozen discount, and orders above 2,000. Compute the final total receipt, then displayed in a formatted output. The clear order button resets all inputs, deselect checkboxes, clears radio buttons, and remove the receipt. Additional helper method like compute item for item calculation is any item selected for validation. Count selected item for discount computation help make the program more organized and efficient.